Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be learning about how can we use trim formula in an Excel workbook. So in this particular sheet I have created a table, and in this table I have written some names over here with some spaces in between them. As you can see, this is too much space in between, and in this there is less, and we will use the trim functions to get the correct output. So what I'll do is I'll just type equal to trim and press tab, and I'll select the name and press enter. So as you can see, the extra spaces which is over here is now reduced and removed, and the name is written in the correct manner. And let's say one more example. Let's say I will write trim here and press tab and select this and press enter. As you can see, if there are more spaces over here, so it will give the output in a correct manner. If I drag till bottom, as you can see, all the output over here is in the correct manner. So I hope you find this video useful, and if you find this video useful, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more, and press the bell notifications for further updates. So take care, bye bye.